Hello, how you doing? Look, on the menu today, we've got this here. Look, we've got some shrimps or prawns, whatever you want to call them. Shell on, garlic, ginger, butter, chili. It's outrageously beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So you can see we've got our prawns or shrimps here. They're not massive. They're not too small, but they're not massive. But they're a nice size. I've taken their heads off and cleaned them out where they needed to be cleaned out. What I've got there, that was 1 kg with the heads. So let's probably say that's about 800 grams now. We're going to put a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice and then 2 teaspoons salt and pepper. And you can see that I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in and we need to mix this up just very gently. So I've got 2 cups of bell peppers there, a cup of celery, a cup of white onion, 2 teaspoons chili flakes, you can adjust that if you want, tablespoon each of chopped garlic and chopped ginger, and butter. There's about 50 grams there. Let's get moving. So you're going to need a wok or a skillet or something like that, something fairly large because there's quite a lot of shrimp or prawns here. I've got in there 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil, which we're heating up. We're going to drop in first the garlic and the ginger. And we're going to cook this for like 60 seconds or so. If we get a little bit of browning on it, that's fabulous. So it's just starting to brown a little bit. And what we've done is really infuse that oil. Let's get that 1 cup of onion, the 1 cup of celery. And we're going to go for 2 more minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. We're on a very high heat, maximum heat you need. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to go with our prawns or shrimps, whatever you want to call them. We've got salt and pepper on there and that little bit of lemon or lime juice. And for this size, like I say, these are not enormous. They're not tiny, but they're not enormous. We're going to stir fry again, high heat, for 4 minutes. So we're 4 minutes in and you can see that the colour has changed. We've gone for that kind of more familiar pink. We're now going to go with the 2 cups of bell peppers. And you've seen the bell peppers, the onion and the celery, all cut really nice and small. Chili flakes to taste. You could add more if you wanted. If you don't have chili flakes, you could be putting some chili powder in, or cayenne pepper, and adjust it to how you want. And we're going to go for another 3 minutes, which will give us about 7 minutes total time of cooking the shrimps or the prawns. Keep it moving. That is excellent. Okay, we're nearly done. What we're going to do is we're going to take that big piece of butter, drop that in. To that also, I'm going to add a little bit of sesame oil. Gives it a lovely, nice, nutty flavour. We're going to go for 2 to 3 more minutes, melt all that butter in. Nearly done. Absolutely fantastic, really good. Off goes the heat. I'm going to go with a little bit of cilantro or coriander. If you wanted, you could be putting in there, let's get a bit more in. You could be putting in some green onions or some fresh chilies, up to you. Look at that, wow. And there you go, that is a plate of goodness, absolutely wonderful. Creamy, buttery, garlicky, little bit of chili, fabulous. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.